Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at the easiest part on the gumball machine. We're going to be creating this dowel back here. The dowel that goes in the bottom and the dowel that goes in piece number 3 here are identical, so we only have to design it once. I'm going to come over to the Citrix workspace, and I've already opened up Autodesk Inventor. I want to make sure I have my pointer tool, and I am going to create a new standard IPT. Alright, we are going to start a 2D sketch, but for the first time we're going to do it in a different spot. I would like to start a 2D sketch, but this time I would like to do it on the XZ plane, or the top view. What I'd like to do is draw a circle and extrude it up, because that's the orientation that it's going to be in here, and I figured that's the easiest way to assemble it. So clicking on the XZ plane. If your screen turns to the side, it is a circle, so it doesn't matter too much. I always prefer to spin that. I like to see the word top, so it's not out of orientation. I'm going to come up, we've moved over to the sketch tab. I'm going to grab my circle tool. I'm going to come down to the origin. Once it's green, I'm going to click once. Now we have to tell it how big should this circle be. I could move my pointer a little bit, but I'm going to grab my keyboard and we're going to type in 0.25. Just so you can see that, I'm going to pinch 0.25, and then you're going to hit return on your keyboard. Okay, so let's drop our tool. So I have to expand my keyboard, pin my bar, and hit the escape key. Drop down my keyboard, and this is zoomed in quite a bit, so I'm going to click the word top just so you can see it. We have a 0.25 inch circle here. We're done with this. We're going to come to the green check mark and finish sketch. I always like to go to the home view, and I am going to extrude this. So this dowel goes all the way through into the bottom of piece 1, and it comes up 3/4 of an inch through the piece, and it sticks up 3/4 of an inch up and just to the top of piece number 2. So we need this to be 1.5 inches tall. I am going to show you an interesting thing that Inventor can do. Inventor can do the math for you, so if you didn't want to figure out what's 3/4 plus 3/4, you could put in 0.75 plus 0.75, and it would do the math for you and eventually make it 1.5 inches. When I hit OK, you're going to notice that this is sticking up 1.5 inches. Looks good. We're going to come up to the arrows up top. I would like you to have some fun. Pick some random material for this. Just make sure the material you pick you can actually see. There's a couple of these that get a little crazy and you can't tell what's going on with them. That's an interesting one. I'm going to come up, File, Save As. Double checking I'm still going into my H drive. We now need to give this a name. And this is going to be Gumball Dowel. Gumball Dowel, making sure it's going into your H drive. You can click Save, and now this is updated. If you did come in and change the color again after that save, make mine gold. If you did change it, then you'd want to come up here, Click the quick save, and you have your dowel designed, and we can use this twice in the assembly. Good job, everyone.